I think the issue of copyright is an archaic, unproductive view. When you create something, you're building on the work of other people, no matter who you are, whether you're J.K. Rowling or Shakespeare. You're basing your work on the work of others. You're basically taking their ideas. Artist does not own their ideas. No artist does.
Any useful information exists because of the efforts of real people. And copyright is our way of remembering who those people are. And it's crucial to not lose that. And I think cyber culture is missing the point of copyright. You might say, well, who cares about authors? Let a few authors not make as much money as they would have. But it's a precedent. The whole internet will become a tool for the concentration of power, and that would be a disaster.
The internet is the world's largest copy machine, and anything that touches it is being copied. And that just to transmit something along the way, people are making copies of things. Copies are valueless. They have no worth at all. And so there's a focus on copies because that's an industrial age artifact.